Hey, champions! Welcome back to this powerful session of your maths mastery journey. Today, we are going to apply the power of ratio and proportion to crack some of the most questions asked in percentage, profit and loss, mixed and allegation, and geometry from SSC CGL and bank previous year questions. But before we dive in, make sure you have already watched the previous videos where I break down the basic of ratio and proportion logic step by step because I won't be teaching you the logic again in this video. I'll be applying it. This is your practice and mastery zone. Let me remind you why this matters. These previous year questions we are solving today are not random. They are actual questions from your upcoming exams. And using ratio gives you the shortcut edge most students don't know yet. Here's what you will learn from this lesson. How to solve profit and loss using ratio, percentage problems, how to solve mixed and allegation questions using ratio logic, and geometry problems simplified through logical proportions. And yes, I'll be solving 16 real previous year questions with you in this video. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Can you all see my screen? Now let's start solving problem from percentage, profit and loss, mixed allegation, geometry using ratio logic. Okay, are you ready? Here's the first question. The monthly incomes of A and B are in the ratio 3:5, and the ratio of their savings is 2:3. If the income of B is equal to 3 times the savings of A, then what is the ratio of the expenditures of A and B? Now we have income, right? Income here, and we have savings. What else we have? We have expenditure. All right, in short, all right, EXP incomes are in ratio 3:5. Incomes are 3 and 5. This is here A, this is here B. Savings is 2:3. 2:3. This is the ratio. I'll multiply income by x, and savings by variable y. What we have here, if income of B is equal to 3 times savings of A. What is this? Income B is 5x equal to 3 times savings of A. 3 times saving of A. Savings of A is 2y. Cross multiply x by y is equal to 3 to r 6 by 5. We are asked to find the ratio of expenditures of A and B. Expenditure is income minus savings. 3x minus savings is 2y. That is expenditure of A. Expenditure of B is income 5x minus savings, that is 3y. Let's find this ratio. We have to find this value. I need more space. I'll delete some part. I'll delete this part. I don't need anymore. Let's substitute the value of x and y here. Take x equal to 6 and y equal to 5. 3 into 6. 3 into 6 is 6, 3 are 18. Minus, your y is 5. 2y. 5 into 2. 10. By 5x. X is 6. 5, 6 are 30. Minus 3y. Your y is 5. 3, 5 are 15. 18 minus 10 is 8. 30 minus 15 is 15. That's the final answer. Option 2 is the right answer. 8 is to 15. Can you understand? All right, let's solve the next question. I'll write INC income, then expenditure is here. I'll write expenditure, then savings. Monthly incomes of X and Y is 5 is to 4. 5 is to 4. This is your A, this is your B. I'll multiply by a variable X. 5x, 4x. Income of A is 5x, income of B is 4x. And expenditure is 9 is to 7. 9 is to 7. Here, multiply with another variable. Let's take Y. Y. Savings is income minus expenditure. 5x minus 9y is savings of A. Savings of B is 4x minus 7y. 4x minus 7y. If income of Y is equal to expenditure of X, income of, wait, this is not A and B, sorry, X and Y. The first one is X, the second one is Y. Income of Y, that is 4X, is equal to expenditure of X. Expenditure of X is 9Y. 4X equal to 9Y. Cross multiply. X by Y is equal to 9 by 4. Let's calculate some portion. Let's find this value. 5x. What is 5x value? X is, take 9, y equal to 4. 5, 9 are 45. Minus 9 into y. Y is 4. 9, 4 are 36. By 4x. 4x is 9. 9, 4 are 36 minus 7y. 7y is 4. 7, 4, 28. The answer is 15 minus 6 is 9. 16 minus 8 is 8. 9 is to 8. Do you have 9 is to 8? Option 1 is the right answer. Can you understand? Is it difficult? Alright, let's solve more problem on this. We have income. We have expenditure. We have to find income. And we have expenditure. The ratio of incomes of two employees is 7 is to 4. Income is 7 is to 4. I'll write 7x. The ratio of their expenditure is 3 is to 1. 3y is to 1. If each of them managed to save 4800, savings is 7x minus 3y. Income minus expenditure is 7. This 4x minus y. These two values are 4, 8, 0, 0. This is again equal to 4, 8, 0, 0. Let's delete some part. Now, right hand side are equal. Therefore, both left hand side must be equal. 7x minus 3y is equal to 4x minus y. Transfer y to the left. 7 minus 4 is 3. X equal to, transfer this to the right, will be plus 3 minus y is 2y. Now, from here, multiply. We have 2y. To get it 2y here, we have to multiply this equation by 2. We have 4 to our 8x minus 2y equal to 2 times of 4, 8, 0, 0. That's still the right hand side. Substitute the value of 2y here. 2y is 3x. 8 minus 3 is 8 minus 3, 5. 5x is equal to 2 times of 4, 8, 0 into, I'll call 10. Okay? 0, 0. Instead of 0, 0, I write it separately because I want to cancel with 5. 5 to our 10. Here x is 2 to the 4. Multiply 4 with this number. 0, 8, 4, 32, 2, 3 in hand. 4, 4, 16, 19. 16 plus 3 is 19. What we're asked to find? The sum of their monthly income. 7x plus 4x. That is 11x. 11 into this is 0, 2, 9 plus 2. 11, 1 in hand, 9 plus 1, 10. With in hand, 11, 1 in hand, 1 plus in hand, 2. 11x. The sum of two income is 21120. Option 1 is the right answer. We can even check the answer from divisibility by 11. Okay. Question number 4. The ratio of boys to girls initial in college is 5:6. If 40 boys leave the college and 50 girls join the college, boys girls is 5:6. This is 5x. This is 6x. If 40 boys leave means minus 40, and 50 girls join means plus 50. The ratio will become 8:11. This become 8 by 11. Find the number of girls initial in the college. Number of girls is 6x. Which of the given option is divisible by 6? 6 is 2 into 3, 6. Can we get the answer without any calculation? 7 plus 4, that's 11, not divisible by 3. 8 plus 6, 14, not divisible by 3. 6 plus 4, 10, not divisible by 3. 7 plus 2, 9, which is divisible by 3. The answer is option 3. We can get the answer without any calculation. Okay? Okay, let's solve it. Cross multiply. 11 into 5 is 55. X minus 11 into 40 is 440. This is equal to 8648. X plus 8540. 0. We have one more 0 here. 0. Now let's find X. Transfer this to the left, it will become minus. 15 minus 8 is 7x. That is equal to transfer this to the right, it will become plus. 400 plus 440 is 840. 7, 1 is 7, 7 to 14, 0. Your x is 120. And more space. Find the number of girls in the college. Initial number of girls is 6x. 6x is 6 into 120. 0, 6 to 12, 2 1 in hand, 6 1 is 6, 7 7 to 0. We get the same answer. In this case, we don't need any calculation, okay? Question number 5. When 5 children from class A join class B, from A, if 5 students joined to B, we have to subtract minus 5, then add 5 here. The number of children in both classes is the same. Same means they are equal. A is equal to transfer 5, B plus 5 plus 5 is 10. Next line, if 25 children from B join A, B from B, 25 of them join A, minus 25, and here plus 25. Then the number of children in A becomes double. This becomes double times of this one, the number of children in B. The ratio of number of children into those of B is A by B. Let's find, let's put the value of A here. A is B plus 10 plus 25 is 35. Open the bracket. Into 2 is 2B minus 25 into 2 is 50. To the right, 2B minus B is B. Transfer this to the left, 50 to the left. Minus will become plus. 50 plus 35 is 85. The value of B here. 85 plus 10 is 95. We are asked to find A to those in B, A by B. Can I cancel? I can cancel with 5. 5, 1 is 5, 4, 5. 5, 9, 45. 5, 1 is 5, which will have 3, 5. 5, 7, 35. A by B is 19 by 17. I have 19 by 17. Option 4 is the right answer. Next question. Question number 6. An article is sold at a profit of 250. Cost price, selling price. What that is? A cost price 100. Profit of 250. Cost price plus profit. Why I take 100? Because percent is out of 100. That's why I take cost price equal to 100. Cost price plus profit is selling price. 100 plus 250 is 350. What is the ratio of its cost price to selling price? Cost price is 100, selling price is 350. Cancel 0, 0, cancel with 5. 5 toward 10, 5, 7, 35. Do I have 2:7? Option 3 is the right answer. Let's move to question number 7. Two numbers are more than the third number by 20% and 80%. First number, second number, third number. Comparison is done from the third number. Therefore, take third number equal to 100. 20% more means 100 plus 20. 120 is the first number. Second number is 100 plus 80. 180. First number is what percent of the second number? First number, I can cancel it. 0, 0, 6, 2 or 12, 6, 3 or 18. First number is 2 is equal to. Logic is verb, convert this into equal to sign of, convert this into multiplication sign, and then percent, convert this into divided by 100. This is the logic. First number is equal to what percent of the second number. Second number here is 3. Question mark is cross multiply. 100 into 2 is 200 divided by 3. Approximate value is 66.66. The smallest is option 3 is the right answer. Okay, you want to solve more? All right, let's solve question number 8. Two numbers are respectively 10% and 25% more than the third number. Okay. First number, second number, third number. Comparison is done from the third number. Third number, take it 100. 10% more. We have more. 100 plus more. 10. More means plus. Less means minus. Okay. 100, 10, 25% more. 100 plus 25. 125. Can we cancel here? Ratio of two number. Cancel it. 5 toward 10. 5 toward 10. 5 toward 10. 25. 5 of 25. The answer is 22 by 25. Do we have 22 by 25? Option 1 is the right answer. Do you enjoy? All right, let's solve the next question. Question number 9. In mixture of 55 liters, fruit juice and water are in the ratio 4:1. juice and water are in ratio 4:1. How many water must be added to make it mixture 2:1? 4x. I'll take fruit juice 4x. X into 1 is x. Water is x. The sum is 5x. Total is how much? 55. So with 5, 5, 1, 1. Put the value of x. 11 into 4 is 44. X is 11. How much water must be added to make the mixture in the ratio 2:1? I must add some water here. I do the value, I'll call A. I need 2:1. Half of 44 is 22. 11 plus how much is 22? 11 plus 11 is equal to 22. Here A is 11. Option 3 is the right answer. Question number 10. If 80 liters of milk solution has 60% of milk in it, then how much milk should be added to make it melt 80% in the solution? Milk. I'll consider the other as water, okay? Milk is 60%. Percent means out of 100. 100 minus 60 is 40. Ratio is 2, 3 or 6, 2, 2 or 4. Here milk is 3 part out of 3 plus 2, 5. 800. I mean 80. Water is 2 part out of 3 plus 2, 5. Out of 80 liters. 5, how much is 8? 5 1 is 5. 35 is 30. 16 to 2. 6 to 12. 2 1 hand. 2 1 is 2. 3. What? Water is 32 into 16. 6 3 are 18. 8 1 in hand. 3 1 is 3. 4. 40 liters. Milk is 48 liters. Then how much milk should be added to make milk 80% of the solution? Milk 80, 48 plus how much of milk? 32 equal to 1 milk 80%. 80 out of 100. Remember it is 20. I want to get this. Find question mark. Cancel this. 2, 4 or 8. 48 plus question mark is equal to 4 2 or 8. 4 3 12. Therefore, your question mark is equal to 8 minus 8 is 0. 12 minus 4 is 8. 80 liters of milk must be added to make milk 80% in the solution. I consider solution as mixture of milk and water here. Okay. The answer is option 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 11. A vessel contains 120 liters mixture of milk and water. Water is 25% of milk. Water is 25% of milk. Cancel it. 25, 1 is 25. 25 into 4 is 100. Cross multiply. Water to milk is equal to 1 is to 4. With 12 liters of water added in the vessel, then find the ratio of water to milk in the resulting mixtures. Here I'll multiply by x, variable x, 1 into x is x, 4x. X plus 4x is 5x is equal to 120. Cancel it. 5, 2 are 10, we have 20, 5, 4, 20. X is equal to 24. It's equal to 24. Multiply 4 with 24. 4, 4 are 16, 1 in hand, 4, 2 are 8, 9. Water is 24 liters and milk is 96 liters in the mixture of milk and water. Now find the ratio of water to milk. Water is 24 by 96. If 12 liters of water is added, water is the upper part plus 12. Then find the ratio of water to milk in the resultant mixtures. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 5, 9, 6. I can cancel it. 3. 3, 1 is 3. 3, 2 are 6. 3, 3 are 9. 3, 2 are 6. I can cancel it. 4. 4, 3 are 12. 4, 8 are 32. We cannot cancel anymore. Therefore, the final answer is 3 to 8. Option C is the right answer. Question number 12. A mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 7 is to 8. If 10 liters of water and 5 liters milk is added in the mixture, then the ratio of water and milk becomes 2 to 3. Find the initial quantity in the mixtures. Milk, water. Milk is the first one. The first one is 7. 7x, 8x. Find the initial quantity in the mixture. Add this to 7 plus 8, 15. 15x. We're asked to find this value. Okay. First option, second option, third, fourth options are divisible by 15. Therefore, we cannot check divisibility by 15. If 10 liters of water and 5 liters of milk is added in the mixtures, water is 8x plus 10. Milk is 7x plus 5 liters of milk is added. 5. The ratio of water to milk. Here, don't confuse it. Water is first. The first one is below here. 3 must be below 2. 3, cross multiply. 7, 3 are 21. X plus 5, 3 are 15. 8 are 16. X plus 21 minus 16. 11 minus 6 is 5. 5x equal to transfer 15 right to minus. Well, 20 minus 15 is 5. X is equal to 1. Put it here. This value is 15. Final answer is 15. It's 15. D is the right answer. A mixture of milk to water in the ratio of 4:1, respectively. If 10 liters of mixture are taken out, milk water mill is 4x. If 10 liters of mixture are taken out, minus 4 part out of 4 plus 1 is 5 into 10 minus water is 1 part out of 4 plus 1 5 into this 10. Taken out means minus 5 toward 10, 5 toward 10. Water becomes 2/3 of the milk. Water is x minus 2 1 is 2 becomes equal to 2/3 of the milk. Here is 4x minus 4 to our 8. Cross multiply 3x minus 3 to our 6 equal to 2 4 8x minus 2 8 are 16. Transfer 3x to the right. 8x minus 3x is 5x. Transfer 16 to the right. It will become plus. 16 minus 6 is 10. 5 toward 10. Find the initial quantity of water. Initial quantity of water is x. Therefore, x is 2. We have 2. D is the right answer. Can you understand? Okay, let's solve the next question. We are almost done. Okay. Question number 14. If the areas of two similar triangles are in the ratio 196 is to 625, what would be the ratio of the corresponding sides? Side take as x, area will be x square, volume will be c square. Volume is q. Remember this. Now, area is given. We're asked to find sides. Therefore, which number square is 196? 196 is 14 square. This can be this. It can be 1 or 3. 625 is, given digit is 5. Therefore, 5 square is 5. Option 1 is the right answer. Okay. 14 square is 196 and 25 square is 265. Sorry, 625. Okay, question number 16. The ratio of area of square and area of rectangle. Square is bigger than rectangle. Square is length equal to breadth. Okay. The side of the square is equal to the length of rectangle. Length rectangle. I'll call this x, this x, this is y, this is here x. Area is square is first. X square by length into breadth, x into y, xy is equal to 3 by 2. X cancel, we have x by y is 3 by 2. The perimeter of the rectangle is 40 meters. Perimeter of this Perimeter is all sum of all sides. 2 times of x plus y. This is your y. This is your x. X plus x is 2x. Y plus y is 2y. 2 times of x plus y is sum of all the sides. Is how much? 40. I can cancel it 2. 2, 2 of 4. Y I'll take is 2k. X plus y will be 3 plus 2, 5k. This is 5k is equal to 20. 5, 4 are 20. Now put the value of k. 3, 4, 12. 2, 4, 8. X is 12, y is 8. Find the breadth of the rectangle. Breadth is y. Y is 8. Y is equal to 8. Where do I have 8? B is the right answer. Okay, let's solve one more question. Similar to this. Okay. The ratio of length to breadth of a rectangle is 4:3. Area of a rectangle is 300 centimeters square. Okay, now let's find the area one. Length is I'll call this as 4:3. I'll write breadth as 3x, length as 4x. Area is length to breadth. 4x into 3x is 300. 300. 3 into 100. 4 into 25. X into x is x squared. X squared is equal to 25. That means here x is 5. 5 squared is 25. If the breadth of rectangle decreased by 20%, length is multiply the value 4, 5 are 20. Breadth is 3, 5 are 15. Breadth decreased by 20%. Breadth is decreased by 20%. This one decreased by 20%. 20% decrease means 80 by 100. 100 minus 20 is 80. Decrease means minus 100 minus 80. 20% decrease means 80 by 100. Okay, that's 0, 0 cancel. 2, 4, 8, 2, 5 or 10. From where? From breadth 15. 5, 3, 15. The breadth will become 4, 3, 12. The length is increased by 10. 10% of 20 is 2. Take out 0, 1, 0, it becomes 10%. 20 plus 2 is, new one will be 22. This is new length. This is new breadth. Find a new perimeter. New perimeter will be 2 times of x plus y, or 2 times of 22 plus 12, 34. 2, 4 are 8. 3, 2 are 6, 68. We have 68. Option A is the right answer. Now we have solved these 16 questions using ratio. Imagine what happens when you practice 50 questions or even 100 questions like this. Here is what to do next. In the last section of this model, we have mock tests. It's based on exactly what we cover in this video. Attempt all the mock tests and share your biggest learning in the comment box below this video. I'm super proud of you for taking action and coming this far. This is the kind of practice that builds speed, confidence, and exam clarity. Stay consistent, stay focused. I'll see you in the next video where we go deeper into mastering next topic through shortcut logics and strategies.